Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Did you know the presence of Tulsi in the house destroys negative energy and enhances positive energy? According to Vastu, a Tulsi plant at home bestows harmony and happiness. I think most of us have Tulsi plant at home. Tulsi plant is easy to grow and take care of. Still, we have a lot of questions in our mind. The questions are like, does Tulsi plant need direct sunlight? Why is my Tulsi plant dying? What is the best fertilizer for Tulsi plant? And also, how do I get more leaves in my Tulsi plant? In this video, I will be not only answering these questions but also be answering many other questions you might have. Now, you might have a question, can we prune a Tulsi plant? And if yes, how do we do it? Pruning a Tulsi plant, holy basil, can keep it manageable and encourage fuller growth. So yes, you can prune your Tulsi plant. Sometimes you see there are dry seeds on our Tulsi plant. So you can cut the dry seed, and if you want, you can plant a new plant with your seeds. Also make sure to prune your Tulsi plant afterwards. And to prune, pinch off the top of each stem where there are 4 to 6 of leaves. Soil is the most important to make your plant bushy, greeny and healthy. Tulsi plants grow best in loamy, fertile soil with good drainage. The soil should be aerated and have a pH level between 6 and 7.5. Every 6 months interval, my mom changes the topmost soil with some composting soil. Now I will tell you how you can make your plants from these dry seeds. First, crush the seed pods and remove all the black small seeds. First, take a small pot with this much soil in it. The soil should be loamy and fertile with good drainage. Now just spread the seeds like this. Now all you have to do is cover it with more soil. After covering it with another layer of soil, make sure to water it and keep it in a shaded area. Now I will show you 1-year-old Tulsi plant whose growth is not so well and has insect attacks. So as this is already 1 year old, in the replacement of it, my mom will plant a new plant. But in this urban place, soil is not always available. So how to reuse our old soil? For 2 to 3 days, dry it under sunlight. Also add some homemade fertilizer. First it's kitchen waste compost, now it's dried neem leaf. Next is the banana peel fertilizer. And at last it is fruit peel fertilizer. Whenever you are using any old soil, make sure to add this neem leaf compost as it kills all the bad microorganisms. Now another main question was, why is my Tulsi plant dying? The reason could be overwatering. So always water your Tulsi plant properly, as overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can make the leaves crumbly. So I hope in this video you got all the answers to all of your questions. But still, if you got any more questions, make sure to write that question in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.